So hey, today I'm going to do my salsa garden in a tote. Found a tote in my garage and it's got the number 5 on it, so it is safe. The recycling number on the bottom, it is safe to grow food in. So this is what I'm going to make my salsa garden in. And if I haven't introduced myself, my name is Tamra. I am a 40-something-year-old single empty nester, just trying to figure out, all this crap, and trying to figure out how to have salsa for cheap all summer. So let me show you all what I'm going to do. I've got my tote, I've got some scissors because I am a single female and I do not have a drill. I probably need to get one. Being a single female really isn't an excuse, but here we go. So I just turn it to make holes. Do like 6 big holes in the bottom of this tote. There's one. Need good drainage so it doesn't just hold water and you get root rot. I would use a knife, but I don't want to cut myself. This is rough, but I'm almost done. So I put 6 holes. See those 6 holes in the bottom. And this isn't a how-to because I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm going to have salsa. So there's holes in the bottom of that. Then I've got some branches and twigs and stuff that I got from my backyard. Use all these to cover the bottom. I put all those to cover the bottom because I don't have that much dirt. Then I take some cardboard. Use that as a filler. It'll break down. Then I got some leaves. Oh, there's garbage. Then I had some dirt in a pot that I need to get rid of. I need to do something with it, so it's going in there. And some garden soil. I know you're not supposed to use garden soil, but I've got some compost that I'm going to mix it with. Use what I got. These were 5 for $10. I don't have big dollars for potting soil, so I gotta make my own. There's one. Oh, losing my sock. There's two. Got a bag of compost. Dump some of that on top. Mix all that together. So I think I'm going to put my tomato in the middle. Pepper up here in the corner. My cilantro back here. And I've got onion seeds. I'm going to put onions on each side. My tomato in the middle. My jalapeno over in the corner, right over here. Got my cilantro. Here in the corner. And I'm going to do onions. Added some onions in there. Now we just gotta water them in and watch them grow. You gotta water them in good. And this is how I plant my salsa garden. Come back and see if they survive.